Hello everyone! In this video, I'm giving you an honest review of Linktree for beginners, along with a quick guide on how to use it the right way. If you've ever struggled with sharing multiple links on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, Linktree is the perfect solution. It allows you to put all your important links, your YouTube, store, website, or socials in one clean, shareable page. Let's go step by step and talk about how it works, what it offers, and whether it's worth using. First, what exactly is Linktree? It's a simple tool that lets you create a mini landing page with all your links in one place. Instead of constantly changing the link in your bio, you just paste your Linktree link once and people can access everything you want to share. It's extremely popular among creators, influencers, business owners, and anyone who promotes content online. Now, let's go over how to set it up. Go to linktr.ee and click Get Started for free. Enter your email, username, and password to create an account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can start adding links right away. Click the Add New Link button, type in a title, and paste your URL. For example, your YouTube channel, your shop, or your latest project. You can add as many as you want, and they'll appear as neat buttons on your profile page. You can also personalize how your Linktree looks. Under the Appearance tab, choose from a range of themes and background colors. If you're using the free plan, your customization options are limited to basic colors and layouts, but they still look clean and professional. On the paid plan, which starts at a few dollars a month, you can unlock advanced themes, add your own logo, and even remove the Linktree branding for a more branded look. Next, let's talk about integrations and extra features. Linktree has really improved over time. You can now add social icons, embed videos, music previews, and even collect payments or tips directly through your page using features like commerce links. You can also connect apps like YouTube, TikTok, or Shopify so your content updates automatically. For creators, that's super helpful. It keeps your page dynamic without extra work. Now, one of the biggest advantages of Linktree is analytics. Even with the free plan, you can see how many people clicked on each link. The Pro plan takes it further, showing you detailed stats like daily visitors, clicks per country, and conversion rates. This is great if you're running campaigns or want to know which links your audience cares about most. But let's be honest, Linktree isn't perfect. The free version is good, but quite limited. You don't get advanced customization or deep analytics, and your Linktree page will always show their small logo. Also, since it's a third-party platform, you're relying on their servers. If Linktree ever goes down, your links go down. Some creators prefer using alternatives like beacons or even building their own bio link page using tools like Notion or Card for more control. Still, for most beginners, Linktree is ideal. It's easy, quick to set up, and requires zero technical skills. You can literally have your Linktree ready in under 5 minutes. And for people who just want a simple link in bio tool without the hassle of building a website, it absolutely gets the job done. Now let's quickly look at some tips to make your Linktree stand out. Keep your link titles short and clear. For example, watch my latest video or shop my merch works better than long or vague titles. Also, put your most important links at the top so they're seen first. If you're using the Pro plan, use the priority link feature to highlight specific ones with colors or animations. And one underrated feature, you can use Linktree QR codes. They're perfect for business cards, posters, or packaging. When someone scans the code, it takes them straight to your Linktree, which keeps everything simple and connected. Finally, let's answer the big question. Is Linktree worth it? If you're just starting out or managing a few links, the free version is more than enough. It's functional, looks great, and works across all social media platforms. If you're building a personal brand or business and need deeper analytics, more customization, or branding control, upgrading to the paid plan makes sense. It's affordable and helps you maintain a professional look. So overall, Linktree is one of the easiest and most reliable bio link tools for beginners. It's simple, user-friendly, and does exactly what it promises. Gives you one link to share everything that matters. Whether you're a creator, influencer, or small business owner, it's definitely worth trying out and customizing to fit your style. Subscribe the channel for more videos.